Hello, welcome to Persian with Mahtab. Have you seen the previous videos? Now this is our D sound in Persian. D sound is exactly pronounced D like English, but it's a consonant, it's an only child, and it can come at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. Let's see how we write D sound. D is written above the line. Look at here. We start above the line. A very beautiful D. It is only child. No brother or sister like other sounds. No dots. It comes at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. It can come after another sound. Take the hands of the previous sound, hand, but not the next. Look at the word dar. Dar. We have the sound the a and r. Dar. You see? Dar, the in the initial position. In the word dast. Dast, again in the initial position. Dast. Dast is hand. And one of the most beautiful words in the world, مادر. مادر. And dad, father, پدر. پدر. ما. در. And پدر. پدر. And the word that we learned in U sound, دود. دود. Smoke. So, در, dast, initial position, مادر, lonely, no connection to the previous or next sound, and پدر, connected to the previous sound in the middle position, and دود, you see, in the initial and final position. Now let's go to our friendship table to see how we connect the to other sound or our vowel sound and see what word we can write with the sound. Today we learned the sound, the. If we make friendship between the and a, then we will have do, 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 like dod. Dod. Dod in Persian means gave, past tense for to give. Dod. Now, you can write your first sentence in Persian. Baba, dad, ab. Water, dad. Baba, ab, dad. Dad gave water. بابا آب داد. Okay, now the and a. The a will be da. Da. Da مثل like در. Da مثل like دست. دا مثل مادر، مثل پدر. مادر، پدر. د with e will be D and D. The E will be D. D like deed. Deed means saw. For instance, Muhammad did. Muhammad saw. I will teach you past tense in a video later. Did. And we have, if we make friendship between the and u, then it will be do. Do. Do like dude. Dude. Smoke. Dude. Dude. Now, let's go to give you your homework. Write one line, the. One line, dad. Dad. Dad means gave. Past tense for to give. Dad. One line, did. Look at how I connect the to the previous sound. Write the teeth, the tooth for the E sound, then go to left, return back and write the sound in this way, and then put the dots for E. Did. And the word bad. Bad in Persian is wind. Bad. Bad. De, dad, did, bad. And another word we have the word bad. Bad is B sound, then go to right, go to left, return back and complete the. Then put the dot for B, B-A. Bad. Bad. By the way, the antonym for bad is خوب. Bad. خوب. That I will teach you later in خ sound. Bad. خوب. The first antonym you learn in Persian. Good luck.